And here's our last example. Example 4. Solve that 2 sine of x is 7 minus 3 cosecant of x, and give general solutions expressed in radians. Well, we're going to replace cosecant of x with 1 over sine of x. 3 times 1 over sine of x is 3 over sine of x. Now we're going to multiply both sides by the sine of x to get rid of the fraction with sine of x on the bottom. And sine of x times 2 sine x equals sine of x times 7 minus 3 over the sine of x. And when we clean that up, you're going to get 2 sine squared of x equals 7 times the sine of x minus 3. If we bring everything over to one side, you've got 2 sine squared of x minus 7 sine of x plus 3. If you factor this, it's like factoring 2x squared minus 7x plus 3, which you would factor into 2x minus 1 times x minus 3. If you FOIL that, you'll get back the original equation. So our equation is going to factor into 2 times the sine of x minus 1 times the sine of x minus 3. Now, of course, this is going to equal 0, which means that 2 sine of x minus 1 has to equal 0, or the sine of x minus 3 is equal to 0. In the first one, or the second one, make that, sine of x is equal to 3. Well, sine of x is never going to be equal to 3 if there's no solution. In the first one, 2 sine of x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. Sine of x is equal to a half. That occurs when x is pi over 6 plus 2 pi n, and when x is 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n. What are our restrictions? Well, cosecant in the original equation means that sine of x cannot equal 0, but this will not have any effect on our solution. Your assignment then is to do page 320, numbers 1 to 12.